Hey everyone, let's discuss about patent agent examination paper 1 2010. It consists of four options out of which more than one may be correct. Question number 1, a granted patent gives the patentee the right to claim damages. Answer is E, from the date of publication of patent application in the official journal. Kindly see section 105 clause 4. Next question is, a patent can be revoked. Answer is A. Anytime after its grant. Kindly see section 64. Question number 3. India is a member of Paris Convention and Patent Cooperation Treaty both on 7th of December 1998. India joined both this organization on 7th December 1998. So option A and B is correct. Question number 4. As per the Indian Patent Act, a complete specification must be filed within 12 months of filing a provisional application. Answer is A. Kindly see section 9. Question number 5. A product may be sold in the market without destroying its novelty. Answer is D. Only if the process for its preparation is kept secret. Question number 6. Prior art does not include. Answer is C. Knowledge disclosed only to member of one families. Question number 7. A complete patent specification shall disclose. Answer is C. The best method of performing the invention. Kindly see section 10 clause 4 subclause B, content of specification. Question number 8. As per the Indian Patent Act, a resident in India, answer is B, can file a patent in a foreign country without first filing the said patent in India only under certain special circumstances. Kindly see section 8, information and undertaking regarding foreign application. Question number 9. Can the government of India use any patented invention merely for its own use? Answer is A. Yes. Kindly see section 100. Power of the central government to use invention for the purpose of government. Question number 10. An Indian generic company can export a drug which is patented in India to Nepal, where there is no such patent. If answer is D, the government of Nepal issue a notification on public health ground. Kindly see section 92A, compulsory license for export of patented pharmaceutical products in certain exceptional circumstances. Question number 11. Assuming that A is the first person to discover the method of making lemon juice by combining lemon with water and sugar, A patents the method of making the juice as also the product juice that is made. B is a professor and teaches his student in his hotel management class how to make lemon juice. B then asks his student to taste the juice so made. Does B infringe A's patent? Answer is B. No, since B method of teaching does not fall within the scope of A's claim. Kindly see section 47, grant of patent to be subject to certain conditions. What are the conditions? Conditions is any product or process government can use merely of its own use. Any product or process for the purpose of experiment, research or imparting education is an exception. For for medicine or drugs, government can use the patented invention for its own use only. Question number 12. A sues B for the violation of his patent granted on 1/1/2009 and covering a fungicide in a district court in India. B wishes to invalidate the patent on 1/2/2010. B can, answer is B, file a revocation petition at the High Court or a counterclaim suit at the High Court. Kindly see section 64, revocation of patent. Question number 13. A has a process patent covering a method of making a drug to cure baldness. B sells the same drug in the market. If A sues B for infringement, on whom lies the burden of proof? Answer is B, on B. Kindly see section 104A. If the patent is a process, burden of proof lies on defendant. Therefore, B will show how he manufactured the drug. Question number 14. A is granted a patent in 1/1/2006 for a drug. It proceeds to sell the drug at a very expensive price that is not affordable by the average Indian consumer. B infringes the patent and is restrained by a court of law on 1/10/2008. B then files a compulsory license application after 2 months, stating that A's drug is too expensive. Will B succeed? Answer is B, no. Kindly see section 84, compulsory license. Expiry of 3 years is necessary for making an application for compulsory license. Next question is question 15. What grounds of opposition are not included within section 25(1)? Section 25 is very important. Ground of opposition, there are altogether 11 grounds. Here the answer is C. The request for examination pursuant to the filing of the complete specification has not been made by the applicant. Next part is true and false. Question 1. A pre-grant opposition decision in favor of the patent application can be appealed to the IPAB. It's true. Kindly see section 117A clause 2. Question number 2. A genetically modified plant is patentable. Answer is false. Kindly see section 3(1)J. Question number 3. A true and first inventor includes a person who qualifies as the first importer of an invention into India. It's an false. Kindly see section 2(1)Y. Question number 4. In a successful post-grant opposition, the controller may ask the patentee to amend the patent application. It's a true. Kindly see section 25 clause 6. Question number 5. The controller himself can revoke a patent for its non-working after the expiration of 2 years from the date of the order granting the first compulsory license in relation to such patent. It's untrue. Kindly see section 85. Question number 6. The request for examination can be made only by applicant. It's an false. Kindly see section 11B. Question number 7. A patent can be surrendered even after 48 months from the date of grant. It's untrue. Kindly see section 63. Question number 8. Sildenafil citrate was known to cure heart ailment. It is subsequently discovered to possess property that can cure erectile dysfunction. This new property is not patentable in India. Answer is true. Kindly see section 3 clause D. Question number 9. A patent is applied for an invention relating to an improved public drainage system. 10 months prior to the application, the system was tested by municipal authorities in Mumbai. The patent cannot be granted since it was anticipated. It's an false. Kindly see section 22, anticipation clause. Question number 10. The controller under section 26(1) has the power to substitute the name of the opponent if he finds that the invention has been obtained by fraud. Answer is true. Kindly see section 26(1). Part B, question number 1. Question number 1. Kindly see section 9. Complete specification has to be filed within 12 months. For question number 2, kindly see section 50, rights of the co-owner of patents, and section 51, power of the controller to give direction to the co-owners. For question number 3, Kindly see section 60, application for restoration of lapsed patent, and the time period is 18 months. So we have to make an application for restoration of a lapsed patent within a time period of 18 months from the date it was lapsed. For question number 4, kindly see section 31, anticipation by public display. If you make an display, you have to file the application within 12 months. Question number 5 is from PCT timelines. Kindly search on Google PCT timelines. You will get to know what are the different dates required under it. And this is the PCT timelines. You will search on Google and any site, WIPO site or some other site, you may find this type of diagram. Within 12 months, we have to file the complete specification as well as PCT filing. In 16 months, it is for international search report generated. For 18 months, at the expiry of 18 months, international publication will be there. 22-month optional request for supplementary international search. 28th month is report for international supplementary month, and at the 30th month you can make application for national phase entry. For question number 6, kindly see section 59. Section 59, yes, it can be amended subject to some provision of section 59. For question number 7, here is also a timeline. Kindly go through the IP India nic.in IP India site, and there you will find frequently asked question. In that frequently asked question, you will get this timeline. The timeline will be like this only. Kindly go to IP India site. Question number 8 is again based on PCT timeline. Time period is within 12 months you have to file the PCT application. For question number 9, kindly see section 14, consideration of the report of the examiner by controller, and in this case opportunity will be there for hearing. For question number 10, song cannot be patented. Kindly see section 3L. 3L saying a literary, dramatic, musical or artistic work or any other aesthetic creation whatsoever, including cinematographic works and television productions, are not patentable. Part B2, question number 1. For question number 1, kindly see section 57, amendment of patent application, and section 54, patent of addition. For question number 2, kindly see section 3P, traditional knowledge, and section 64 1Q. 64 is revocation of patent. For question number 3, kindly see section 47 clause 3. 47 clause 3. 47 is grant of patent to be subject to certain conditions, and section 3D. For question number 4, kindly 1 is, can he obtain a patent for the lemon? Answer is no. Kindly see section 3C. And 2 is same provision. Kindly see section 3D. And 3 is also from the same provision, section 3D. Question number 5, kindly see section 84, that is compulsory license. Kindly go through all the provision that I have mentioned, because the facts may get changed but the provision will remain the same. So reading the sections is very important for clearing the exam. Thanks for watching my video. Please do comment, like and subscribe my channel, and also follow my Instagram page IPNIS, which is related to patent. Many posts. Thanks for watching.